Welcome to the another tutorial. In this video we are going to install ns3 network simulator. So this is an open source tool. Those who are all working on wireless network and 5G, 4G and 6G and also ad hoc network and routing and antennas. So many modules are inbuilt in this software. So this is very useful for your research. So in this video we are going to install this tool to our Ubuntu machine. Just click download. Here you can find the previous versions. So ns-3.40, 3938, these are all the older versions. Now in this video we are going to install the latest one. Click here. So here you can directly find the downloading link here. So this is an official website. Go to this website to download this file. So but I am going to follow the installation has been given in the ns3 website. So just click installation guide. So install ns3. Here you can find the commands. Just copy and paste the command in your terminal. It automatically download and install the file. Right, open the terminal and paste the first command. Here you can see this one will link to download the ns3 all-in-one zip file. So the download has been started. This requires some time based on your network speed. So here you can see ns all-in-one. So all-in-one means everything in a single folder. You can download it and extract it and build it, and you can easily run it. So this is a simple procedure we are going to follow in this video. So don't skip this video. If you are new to our channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, now the file is downloaded. Here you can see the file is located in here you can see the file is located here. Now I am going to extract the folder. Just use this command to extract the folder. It also takes some time. Just wait until it's complete. Yeah, I think now the file is extracted. Just type here. Here you can see the first one is zip file and this one is the extracted file, right? So now we are going to move into that file. Yeah, now in this directory, go to this directory, or you can just copy this command and paste here. So if you want to clone this, you can just use it. So wait until it's complete. Now it is completed in 16%, 17. So wait until it's reached 100%. So this also takes some time based on your system configuration. Yeah, now it's completed. and you can check by this command. Yeah, so this is for check the release. So the release ns-3.41, this is the latest one. So now we are going to configure the ns3. So this will help to configure the examples in ns3. Here you can see error module, naming, traffic control, UDP, wireless, and energy modules, IPv6. And also antennas, AODV, application, bridges, and DSR, DSDV, MES, LTE is basically 4G, and network, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, and UAN, 6LoWPAN, spectrum analyzing, OpenFlow, OSLR. So like this, so many modules available in this tool. So we can see one by one in the another videos, so don't forget to subscribe. So now first we are going to configure the examples. If you are new to the tool, just run the examples and practice the examples. Yeah, now I am configure the tool, so this will take some time based on your system configuration. So wait until it's complete. Yeah, now I'm going to build the documents. So this will take some much time, so wait until it's complete. So here you can see every module has been building: antenna, cosine antenna module.co. so you can see here totally 1911. So wait until it's complete, and after that you will get like this: build finished successfully, and you can run the command test.py. So your installation perfectly working or not. So I think you like this video. If you like, just put like. This will motivating for me to make more content, and we will meet in the another tutorial. Thank you.